When it comes to safeguarding your phone, nothing beats a high-quality screen protector. With so many options out there, finding the right one can be tricky. Whether you're worried about scratches, drops, or fingerprints, the right protector will keep your screen looking brand new. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the best phone screen protectors for this year, looking at durability, usability, and performance. Stick with us till the end to find out which one might be the best fit for your device. Kicking off our list at number 1, OtterBox Alpha Glass. The OtterBox Alpha Glass is a premium tempered glass screen protector designed to deliver maximum protection while maintaining the touch sensitivity and clarity of your phone screen. OtterBox, known for its rugged phone cases, applies its expertise to this screen protector to ensure your device is protected against scratches, drops, and impacts without compromising on user experience. Key features. The OtterBox Alpha Glass features a strong, scratch-resistant tempered glass surface. With an anti-smudge coating, it minimizes fingerprints and smudges. The protector is also designed for easy, bubble-free installation, and it's compatible with most OtterBox cases, ensuring complete protection without interfering with the case fit. Additionally, the glass is optically clear, ensuring that your phone's display maintains vibrant colors and sharp images. Benefits and usage. The primary benefit of the OtterBox Alpha Glass is its ability to provide heavy-duty protection while still maintaining the aesthetics and touch sensitivity of your phone. This screen protector helps guard against everyday hazards like accidental drops, scratches from keys, or dust that might otherwise damage the screen. It's perfect for users who want a dependable protector that doesn't compromise their phone's performance. Usability. Installation of the OtterBox Alpha Glass is a breeze, thanks to its inclusion of easy-to-follow instructions and installation frame, ensuring perfect alignment. It fits seamlessly over most modern smartphones, especially when paired with OtterBox cases. The touchscreen remains responsive, and you won't experience any lag or delay when interacting with the device. Durability. This screen protector is built to last. With its high-strength tempered glass, the OtterBox Alpha Glass can endure drops, impacts, and everyday wear and tear without cracking. Additionally, its oleophobic coating prevents fingerprints from sticking, maintaining a clean and clear screen even after long periods of use. In the second spot, we have Spigen Glas.tr. Spigen has long been known for providing top-tier accessories at affordable prices, and the Spigen Glas.tr series is no exception. The Glas.tr is a tempered glass screen protector designed to provide military-grade protection for your phone's display without sacrificing touch sensitivity or screen clarity. If you're looking for a high-quality protector at a reasonable price, this might be the one for you. Key features. The Spigen Glas.tr is made from 9H rated tempered glass, offering a high level of protection against scratches and impact. It features rounded edges to avoid cracks and chips over time. The protector is also designed with a unique oleophobic coating, which resists oil, fingerprints, and smudges, ensuring your screen remains clean and clear. The touch sensitivity is remarkably intact, offering a smooth, responsive user experience. Benefits and usage. Spigen's Glas.tr provides excellent value for money, offering a premium protection solution without the premium price tag. Its durability and strength make it ideal for everyday protection, including shielding your screen from drops, scratches, and accidental impacts. For users who prioritize both protection and touch responsiveness, this screen protector is a fantastic choice. Usability. The Glas.tr screen protector is straightforward to install, featuring an alignment tool that ensures perfect positioning every time. The included cleaning wipes help prepare your phone for a flawless installation, free from dust or fingerprints. Once installed, it provides full coverage for your phone screen, and users report that there's little to no noticeable decrease in responsiveness or performance. Durability. With its 9H hardness rating, the Spigen Glas.tr is designed to withstand everyday use and accidental drops. Even with constant use, the tempered glass maintains its shape and function, offering long-lasting protection. The oleophobic coating further enhances its durability, preventing smudges from accumulating and keeping your screen looking new. Coming in at number 3 is the AmFilm tempered glass. The AmFilm tempered glass is another affordable option that doesn't compromise on performance. Known for offering great value, AmFilm delivers a protector that combines strength with clarity, providing high-grade protection at an accessible price. This screen protector is perfect for those who need reliable protection without breaking the bank. Key features: the AmFilm tempered glass is crafted with premium quality tempered glass and features a 9H hardness rating, ensuring it resists scratches and minor impacts. The protector includes a bubble-free installation kit, ensuring easy alignment and a flawless finish. It's also designed to be ultra-thin, allowing for full touchscreen functionality and offering 99.9% transparency to maintain display clarity. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of the AmFilm screen protector is its excellent protection at an affordable price. It shields your device's screen from scratches, drops, and impacts without adding significant bulk or altering the phone's aesthetic. Whether you're dealing with everyday use or occasional accidents, AmFilm has you covered with dependable protection. Usability. Installation is simple with the AmFilm screen protector, as it comes with an easy-to-use alignment tool and cleaning cloth to ensure dust-free application. Once installed, users report that the protector fits seamlessly with their phones, providing full touchscreen responsiveness without any noticeable reduction in clarity or sensitivity. Durability. The AmFilm tempered glass offers solid durability, with its 9H hardness resisting scratches and preventing cracks from minor drops. The thin design doesn't add unnecessary bulk to the phone, and the oleophobic coating ensures that fingerprints and smudges don't stick to the screen, keeping it looking fresh and clean over time. Taking our fourth spot is Tech 21 Impact Shield. The Tech 21 Impact Shield is a screen protector designed for users who prioritize drop protection and impact resistance. Tech 21 is known for creating highly protective products, and the Impact Shield is no different. This protector is designed to absorb impact and protect your screen from high drops and bumps, all while maintaining screen clarity and touch sensitivity. Key features: the Tech 21 Impact Shield is made from a unique impact-absorbing material that ensures your phone's screen remains safe, even from substantial drops. It features a self-healing layer that minimizes minor scratches over time, and the protector is infused with a layer of antimicrobial technology to prevent germs from accumulating on your screen. Its thin design ensures no compromise in touch sensitivity or screen clarity. Benefits and usage. This screen protector is ideal for users who want the highest level of protection for their device. The Tech 21 Impact Shield is built to withstand drops from significant heights, ensuring that your device remains intact. The self-healing technology also ensures that minor scratches disappear over time, keeping your screen looking new for longer. If you're accident-prone, this protector is a fantastic option. Usability. The Tech 21 Impact Shield is easy to install, and users can align it effortlessly with the included installation frame. Once installed, it doesn't interfere with the screen's responsiveness, and the thin, lightweight material ensures a seamless experience. The protector doesn't add bulk to your phone, maintaining the original feel and aesthetic of your device. Durability. The durability of the Tech 21 Impact Shield is impressive, offering substantial impact resistance while maintaining the clarity and touch sensitivity of your screen. Even after drops, the screen remains protected, and the self-healing technology ensures that minor scratches don't stay for long. It's a long-lasting solution for users who need reliable protection. And finally, at number 5, we have BodyGuardz PureGlass. The BodyGuardz PureGlass is a high-end tempered glass screen protector that promises both durability and clarity. With a focus on maintaining the screen's original appearance and functionality, the PureGlass is a great choice for users who want premium protection without sacrificing performance. It's designed to deliver robust protection while ensuring the best possible display quality. Key features: the BodyGuardz PureGlass features a 9H hardness rating and is made from high-quality tempered glass that offers superior protection against drops, scratches, and impacts. It is designed with rounded edges for better durability and is equipped with an oleophobic coating to prevent fingerprints. The ultra-thin design ensures that touch sensitivity remains intact and provides crystal-clear display quality. Benefits and usage. The BodyGuardz PureGlass provides comprehensive protection without diminishing your phone's visual appeal. It is perfect for users who want reliable protection from drops and scratches, but don't want to sacrifice the clarity and vibrancy of their device's display. It is ideal for those who use their phones for multimedia consumption and gaming, ensuring that the screen looks just as good as it did when you first bought it. Usability. The PureGlass is designed for easy installation, with an alignment frame included to ensure proper fit. The protector doesn't interfere with touchscreen functionality, and users report smooth, responsive use. The thin, clear design doesn't add bulk to the phone, keeping the original device aesthetics intact. Its oleophobic coating ensures that fingerprints and smudges don't accumulate, keeping the screen looking clean. Durability. The BodyGuardz PureGlass offers long-lasting protection with its 9H hardness rating. It resists scratches and impacts, maintaining the clarity of the display even after extended use. The rounded edges enhance its durability, preventing cracks or chips. It's a great long-term investment for users looking to preserve the condition of their phone screen. Choosing the right screen protector is an essential step in keeping your phone safe from scratches, drops, and other daily wear and tear. Whether you opt for the durability of the OtterBox Alpha Glass, the budget-friendly protection of the AmFilm, or the high-impact defense of the Tech 21 Impact Shield, there's a perfect option for every user. Make sure to consider your specific needs when choosing a protector to keep your device in pristine condition. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Stay safe and keep your screen protected.